now we are on the safari boat ride at Weeki Wachee State Park in Florida. And just give you more springs. Look at this. That is clear blue water, kind of like cypress. And I can see the fish down there, and we're just gonna see what we got. There are a lot of fish under there, mostly mullets, and then there's a striped fish I'm not sure of.
This river is going to be the temperature. This water stays 72 to 74 degrees all year round. Can I get a show of hands? How many of you think 72 to 74 degrees is cold water? Alrighty, these are your locals. You're going to want to ask them for food recommendations. About the little blue heron is one day you will grow up to become the great blue heron. But he actually stays that cute little size his entire life.
We're gonna go backwards to see. Is it in the water or is it out of the water?
Oh, is he on the branch up there? Yeah.
On a branch? Oh, that tiny stripey thing? Is it a juvenile?
I would say 2.5.
You're okay. Pretty peacock. Sir, can you step back, please, sir? She's over there anyway.
She's right there.
Oh, there you are, Chester. I'm so very glad to see you.
What could make such a beautiful little mermaid so unhappy on her birthday?
Doesn't look like the octopus in the movie.
To the cave, she searches and finds the bottle of magic potion. Without hesitation, she takes a sip.
I'm so happy to finally be with you. Will you marry me? And live